Welcome to this class of values and ethics. Today we will be discussing about sexual harassment at workplace, and before that we were discussing about women and work, and when women come to the world of work, how they are being harassed, that will be the focus of our discussion today. Aji ame nari mane jetebale tankara कर्म क्षेत्र को आसंती किपरि भाबरे सेमाने विभिन्न रकमर निर्यातनार शिकार होइथांती तारी उपरे आज आमे आलोचना करिबा. इन दिस केस आज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड जे आमे नारी माने केवल देयर इज नॉट ओनली द डिस्क्रिपेंसी इन पे. We do not have equal pay for equal work, and that is why that doesn't end there. केवल वर्कस्पेस रे आमे पे गैप रो जो डिफरेंस सेथिरे केवल सीमित हुए नहीं. देयर आर अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ discriminations and exploitations that the women face in the workplace, and in this context we need to discuss whether these practices are really justified or not. Can they ensure equality to the women at the workplace, and how far they actually ensure gender justice? And therefore if we look at that, pay gap is no doubt a big discrimination that takes place against women. We have got the law for equal pay for equal work, but in many areas we find, particularly in the unorganized sector, we notice that equal pay for equal work actually doesn't operate for the women. The women are necessarily paid less than the men, as we have already talked about, that sometimes they are not only paid less, but sometimes they are also underpaid, they are also deferred paid, and that deferred payment sometimes result in what we are telling non payment. तांको केवल कम तांको पैसा दिया जाए नहीं, बेले बेले तांको एपरी करा जाए जे आगु को दिया जीवार प्रतिश्रुति दिया जाए. ये जो प्रतिश्रुति दिया जाए था सेटा मध्य अनेक समय रे काम करेनी, से माने काम देई थांती किंतु कामर प्रतिदान रे तांकर जो पारिश्रमिक मिलबा कथा तांको केबे हेले मिली न थाए. सो इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, there are many gender related abuse and exploitation which the women face in the workspace. When we are talking about women's work participation rate, as I have told you earlier, that the ILO is very much concerned that the work participation of women is declining like anything, and behind this decline, this is a major cause, because many of our women are sexually harassed at the workplace, for which without reporting also they stay back. Their families do not want their women to go ahead and to work in the workspace. They are physically abused, they are verbally abused, sexually oppressed, and their labor power is exploited. नारी मानकु जेतेबेले उत्पीड़न करा जाए गोटे कर्मस्थली रे, प्रथमे तांकु शारीरिक भावरे तांकु कौन करा जाए ना यौन निर्यातना दिया जाए थाए, एवं बहुत समय रे जो अशालीन कथबार्ता माध्यम रे गाली गुलस करिकिरी तांकु भर्बाली अब्यूज करा जाए थाए, एवं तांको कौन करा जाए ना अनेक समय रे आमे देखु जे तांकर जो लेबर पावर, तांकर श्रम जो समय अवदान करती ताकू आमे कौन करू बहुत भावरे आमे तांकु we go on exploiting that without paying, and the pay they get doesn't commensurate to the labor input they give in their workspace. And this not only takes place in the unorganized sector, but in many organized sector this also takes place. Normally we have an impression that in the unorganized sector this is a very common phenomenon, जोटा को आमे अणसंगठित क्षेत्र कहूचे कार्यस्थली. फॉर एग्जांपल जे जो मजूर या स्त्री लोकटीए जड़े कंट्राक्टर अंडर रे काम करुच्ची, से बहुत समय आमे देखू कंट्राक्टर ताको भल व्यवहार देखांती नाही, अशालीन भाषा प्रयोग करथांती, Kintu this is also a scenario in the organized sector. And in the organized sector ame kon karu jetebale in the organized sector how it takes place, it takes place in a very subtle form which doesn't come out. For example, for retention gote striloko ko କାର୍ଯ୍ୟରେ ରହିବା ପାଇଁ to continue in her job, for her promotion ତାର ପଦୋନ୍ନତି ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ତାର ଉପରିସ୍ଥ କର୍ମକର୍ତ୍ତା ତାକୁ ନିର୍ଯାତନାର ଶିକାର କରିଥାନ୍ତି. And many girls actually undergo such type of exploitation and they fail to actually resist, they fail to report, and as a result of which it becomes a continuous phenomenon in the workplace. And the employees and the co-workers of the opposite sex use bullying language for women employees. You might have heard in your own surroundings that sometimes the girls are actually bullied with a very very bad language. And we talk about verbal sanitation कारण भाषा रे शालीनता न थाए, आमे भाषा अभाषा कुभाषा कही झील मान को बहुत समय बुली करथाउ. हुए तो गोटे स्त्रीलोकर किछि कामरे त्रुटि रही जाई पारे. This can be, she can be approached in a different way. She can be told that you have to change your mode of production, you have to change your mode of working, but we start abusing her in very bad language and that brings emotional trauma to the woman stays back. Is it justified that आमे समस्तंकर मनीष मात्र के भूल रोची? It is not that the man never commits a mistake. Both man and woman as human, there is a concept called human error. प्रत्येक जगह मनुष्यर किछि ना किछि भूल होता है. And from that actually erroneous work we get to learn, that gives us experience, and in the next thing we start learning it in a better way. किंतु जेतले पुरुषटे भूल करे ताको एते अशालीन भाषा रे कहा जाय नै, किंतु जेतले महिलाटे भूल करे we tell her in such a bad and abusive language, she feels very bad. Maybe she remains silent, or she may also withdraw from work. So it involves some consideration whether it is ethically sound to shout at a woman like this. And if we look at the workplace, there is also discrimination in the distribution of roles, in the distribution of responsibilities, and in the distribution of remunerations. प्रथम जिनस ताको जो भूमिकाटी दिया जाए ताको भलो लागुची कि नहीं से कथा हमें देखु ना, सेटा तार जो तार पाखरे जो रही कैपेबिलिटी सेटा सूट करा जाए कि नहीं हमें देखु ना. We give her the role which we think that she should do, but we never take care of her choice, her own volition or option, and therefore the role is rather superimposed on her. तते ए काम करिवा पई पड़िबो. हुए तो ताकू कामटी भलो लागी न पारे, हुए तो तार से जो तार पाखरे अनेक गुड़िए माने स्किल थिबो जो से आहुरी उच्चतर काम करि परिबो, किंतु ताकू दिया जाय नै. Similarly, the responsibility. When we distribute responsibility, we give her certain responsibilities which become burdensome for her. And the third thing is when we come to remunerations, we have already discussed that how in terms of remuneration, a man and the woman for the same work, in the same workspace, they are differently paid. Even ame jahako corporate sector aji kahuche, if we go to in the corporate ladder, you will find in the corporate sector there is no such pay band, and the pay band is actually unknown from worker to worker. Particularly there is a great gap between what a woman earns in a corporate house and what a man earns. Tenu unorganized sector kebala hue nai, in the organized sector also we find the same differential exists, and very often again they are not allowed to work in a safe space. गोटे सुरक्षित जगार काम करिवार सुजोग बहुत कम स्त्री लोक पाती, कारण गोटे स्त्री लोक जितेबाला कार्यस्थली के आसे सी फेसेस myriad issues, myriad forms of violence, and as a result of which she hardly gets a safe space to work, and that we also need to take into account. इन मेनी केसेस आम कहू स्त्री लोक मान फ्लेक्सी टाइम दि जाओ ILO जिते बड़े 1999 मसीह कहला जे इट इंट्रोड्यूस द वर्ड फ्लेक्सी टाइम लेट अस गिव द टाइम टू द women let them work whenever they work and ILO had done it with a very good intention that more and more women who are burdened with their household responsibilities if we give them flexi time they can work, they can earn something for themselves, they can empower themselves and the nation will get their the result of their productivity. But it actually took a very different turn. कारण जितेबाला ILO आंतर्जातिक श्रम संस्थान करला जदि आम गोटे स्त्री लोक को तार इच्छा समय तार सुविधा समय काम करने दबा अधिक रु अधिक स्त्री लोक कर्म क्षेत्र में नियुक्त हेबे कारण तांकर जो घरोई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ताको दायित्व सारिला परे सेमाने काम करि परिबे सेमाने किछि तांकर अर्न करि परिबे आ फ्लेक्सी टाइम संगे पार्ट टाइम ऑफिस आर वेयर आल्सो गिवन टू make the women actually secure, but in reality my dear students, do you know they have brought more insecurity to the women कारण जितेबाला फ्लेक्सी टाइम रे से काम करती ताने आसी कामटी नहीं जाती आणिकी दियंती बा घरे बसी काम करती तांकर काम को अनेक समय आम अति नगण्य भाव में देखी था यू आर स्टेइंग एट योर होम यू आर डूइंग द वर्क आउ बेले बेले आम देखी जे अणसंगठित क्षेत्र दि जाए तुम एतिकी काम करके आनिकी दब किंतु तार पैसा ठीक रे मिले कि नहीं तांको जोटा प्राप्य मिले कि नहीं से विषय आम चिंता करें तेणु यही जो फ्लेक्सी टाइम एंड पार्ट टाइम गेव एन ऑप्शन टू मेनी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस टू एक्सप्लॉइट द लेबर पावर ऑफ आवर वीमेन तेणु आम एटी इक्वालिटी कथा चिंता करवा कहीं तेणु यही जिते आम इक्वालिटी कथा भावुचे वी आर नॉट गिविंग जस्टिस एक्चुअली द इंटेंट्स आर वेरी गुड बट द वे we implement them the motive we actually attach to it becomes totally different. So we are young students, please think over this, flexi time is a good thing or not, and if flexi time is a good thing how we can get the best out of it. Similarly पार्ट टाइम वर्क जदि कौन सी झील को गोटे पार्ट टाइम वर्क दिया जाए से बहुत खुशी हुए कारण तार सी कैन हैव अ वर्क नाइस वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस बट दैट शुड नॉट बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड बाय द एम्प्लॉयर तेणु एम्प्लॉयर्स ऑफन हेजिटेट टू गिव गुड डेजिग्नेशंस टू देयर women employees बहुत जगह आम देखा डेजिग्नेशन इश्यू जिते आसे आम भल पदवी उच्च पदवी गोटे स्त्री लोक को देला बेलू गोटे मानसिकता रही जाइए आम ताको देदबा स्त्री लोकटा को एते एम्पावर करदबा सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फीलिंग्स एक्चुअली केते दूर युक्तियुक्त युक्तिसंगत इफ अ वुमन has the same ability, she has the capacity to do and she has the willingness to do certain job, she will perform marvelous in her workplace. किंतु आमे जेतेबेले तार बहुत समय तार willingness and her capacity to play are downplayed by the organization, as a result of which what happens आमे तार काम खराब करुथुबा कैपेसिटी नथिबा एवं इच्छा नथिबा लोक को ताठू उच्च पदवी रे बसौ जोटा कि आदौ युक्तियुक्त नुहे आमे जदि देखिबा आज सारा विश्वर जेते कॉर्पोरेट हाउस अच्छे केते जन स्त्री लोक तांकर बोर्ड रूम रो अधिकारिणी तांकर संख्या अति नगण्य अटे सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पब्लिक लाइफ व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वर्क लाइफ लेट अस गिव एक्चुअली इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बोथ द मेल एंड द वीमेन whether it is designation or position, whether it is pay, whether it is role distribution, we have to measure very scientifically actually what they have and accordingly we should always promote merit and not our patriarchal mindset. So this is what we should learn and there is and when we do not give actually higher position to them we actually stigmatize them economically and we also emotionally marginalize them. What we do जेतेबेले गोटे स्त्री लोकर समस्त एबिलिटी थाइकरी कारण गोटे पदवी अच्छी एवं गोटे पुरुष एवं महिला तापाइका कम्पीट करुँच आम बहुत समय देखो दुई जनकर जदि एका कैपेबिलिटी थाए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्राय पुरुष लोक को से प्रिफर करे तांकर पैट्रियार्कल माइंडसेट जगु आमर पितृतंत्र जो भावना रही से कहते नहीं से एटा करि परिबो से एटा करि परिबो सब बेले पुरुष लोक टिके आमे को this can be done by this person, and women, in case of women, we say this cannot be done. We take a very negative note for the women and take a very positive note for the men, and this is actually not fair. And if we talk about home based work, it may appear to be lucrative for women. घरे बसिबे काम करिवे नेइकिरी देबे देबा द्वारा किछि पैसा पाइबे किंतु तांको कौन करा जाए गणा जाऊ नहीं होम बेस्ड वर्कर्स आर still not properly enumerated in our national work census, and therefore they are not remunerated, they are not what you say, they are not counted. The second thing is that not only there is a problem of enumeration, but से किए केते पाउची तांकर गोटे पारिश्रमिकर कौनसी ये रहे नहीं चिन्ह जे एतिकी कर्म कले एतिकी पाइबे ता परस्पर संगे मिलामिशा करि पारंतिनी दे कैनॉट यूनियनाइज सो देयर बाय दे आर एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम द वर्क फ्लोर्स एंड देयरफॉर दे आर ऑल दीज आर द hidden behind the closed door. आमे जानी पारुनी आमे भाबो more and more women are coming किंतु this is the untold stories of millions of women who are women for whom job is a bare necessity. बहुत स्त्री लोक अछंती समस्तंकर काम दरकार समस्तंकर गोटे मर्यादा दरकार समस्तंकर गोटे स्थान दरकार पोजीशन दरकार तेनु सेमाने काम करूचंती किंतु घर भितर काम करूचंती कर्मस्थली रे मध्य they are actually getting exploited but they are not reporting, they are not registering. So my suggestion to you, my dear young friends, I ask you the question, if you see such a situation, will you not protest against it? Will you not like to change the practice? And for the girls, my sincere question to you is that if you face such a situation, how will you react? Please think over it. And I will give you, you might have heard a very, very important movement, that was the Me Too movement, which brought to the attention of the world the stories of many harassed women and how they have been humiliated and sexually exploited at the workplace. Me Too movement boli gote movement. This movement started in 2017 and this movement started by Tarana Burke, and she was an American activist, and what she did, that she wanted to bring a solidarity among the sexually assaulted survivors. जो माने जौन उत्पीड़नर शिकार होइचंती तांका भितर गोटे एकता आनी तारी एगेंस्ट रे स्वर उत्तोलन करिवार चेष्टा करथिले ताराना बर्क. आ 2017 मसिया रे ए जो हैशटैग थ्रू रे ए जो सोशल मीडिया रे एटा बहुत भाबरे चलिला एवं एटा कौन है बहुत कंट्री रे व्यापी गला. इवन इंडिया वाज अ पार्टी टू इट. इंडिया रे बहुत स्त्री लोक सोशल मीडिया रे से माने तांकर दुख कहानी तांकर जो कर्मस्थल दुखर कहानी लिखि चलले. किए कहला लो पेड जॉब कथा, किए कहला जे केमती हाई पेड जॉब रे एक्सप्लॉयटेशन शिकार होइचंती आ केमती हरासमेंट होइचंती. मीडिया हो सिनेमा हो सिविल सोसाइटी हो सबुठी किपरि से माने जौन उत्पीड़नर शिकार होइचंती तार सेक्सुअल हारासमेंट तार सब वर्णना से माने करले. तेणु ये जो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म टे खोलिला दैट गेव अ नाइस स्कोप टू द वुमेन टू एक्सप्रेस देयर व्यू. जो माने कि बहुत दिन धरी सप्रेस हे आसीथिले केबे हेले रिपोर्ट कर नथले से माने रिपोर्ट करिबारे लागिले. आ जदी आमे देखिबा ये जो ह्यूमन राइट्स वॉच बोली आमर गोटे संस्था अच्छी एंड सी कहला जे जो स्त्री लोक माननकु पे उचित पारिश्रमिक नदबा अनेक अनेक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अच्छी केवल भारत रे नुहे समग्र विश्व रे ए जो पारिश्रमिक को लेकर मध्य तांकर डिफरेंशिएशन होता है. एंड वुमेन आर आस्क्ड फॉर सेक्सुअल फेवर्स. बहुत समय रे वुमेन मान को प्रमोशन टे दबा पाइका आउ तांको बहुत एपर एणु तेणु जोक तांको विषय रे करा जाए तांको विभिन्न पारिश्रमिक दबु बोली कहि तांको सेक्सुअल फेवर भी करा लोक आशा करती एंड दे ट्राई टू एक्सप्लॉइट देम in the with a motive that we will be giving. Don't get motivated by such things. These are only expressive things. So whenever such thing is happening, please open your voice, because you are all the people. When you are going to work, you should muster courage to fight against this. This is not your human right, because getting a job, getting a promotion, they are only expressive indicators, but your human rights include your right to life, your right to dignity and equality. So you should raise your voice. And women in the workplace report, there is a report called Women in Workplace report. এই রিপোর্টটি ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଅଛି ଲେନିନ୍ organize.org ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାକିନ୍ସେ ଆଣ୍ଡ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଆନୁଆଲି 2015 ମସିହାରୁ କାଢ଼ି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି। ଏହି ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ ଦେଖାହେଉଛି ଯେ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ଜବ୍ରେ ବି ୱିମେନ୍ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ହାରାସମେଣ୍ଟର ଶିକାର ହେଉଛନ୍ତି। ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟି ହେଇଛି, ଏମାନଙ୍କର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି कौन कौन जेंडर रिलेटेड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन रोचे कॉर्पोरेट हाउस रे ताकू जणाइबे एवं कॉर्पोरेट हाउस तांका पाइका कौन रेस्पॉन्स नौची, किपरि भाबरे ए जो सेक्सुअल हारासमेंट को बंद करिवार प्रचेष्टा करछि ता उपरे से माने नजर रखि थांती एवं तार बेसिस रे वार्षिक भाबरे से माने गोटे एनुअल रिपोर्ट करती। दे प्रिपेयर एन एनुअल रिपोर्ट एंड दिस हैज बीन इन प्रैक्टिस since 2015. This report, the world actually awaits for this report. बहुत corporate house मध्यम को देखिकी बहुत परिवर्तन आणुचंती। तेणु if at your level what can you do, how you can see, how you can locate, identify what are the things that are happening, that is very vital. आउ गोटे स्टडी कहूची जे about 75% of women are subject to hostile situations, but they fail to actually report harassment. 75% मी टू मूवमेंट परे मध्य हारासमेंट किछि विशेष भाव में कमुनी। अनेक झील हारासमेंट रो शिकार होचंती, बट we do not have the courage to report to it. So my request to this classroom is that both boys and girls, you are our future citizens and you are the responsible citizens, and the boys, you can also protest, prevent yourself from inflicting such type of harassment on the girls. And my request to the girls is that be courageous and you fight for your equality, fight for your right, and you raise your voice against it. Don't remain suppressed, don't remain oppressed, because war will again come to you, but don't actually lose your voice against it. That will actually bring a violence free workplace for you. There is an English daily of England that is known as The Guardian. It is a British daily newspaper which reports that around 50,000 women lose their jobs over maternity discrimination. Maternity मातृत्व लाभ करिबा होची नारी मानंकर एक स्वाभिमान। नारी मानंकर एक्चुअली एक्सक्लूसिवली भगवान तांकु सेही अधिकार टी देइचंती। दे आर द यूनिक क्रिएशन ऑफ गॉड who actually provide longevity to the family, to the community, to the society. किंतु सेमाने मातृत्वर अधिकारी हेबा पाई तांकु मध्य अनेक समय रे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बा विभेदतार तांको सेमाने शिकार हुअंती। कारण अनेक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहते तुमे बाहाब काली आमे तुमको नब नाई। बहुत समय रे यंग झियो माने you will be facing such situations, we will be going to some interview, there you will be asking that what is your plan for future. If you say that I am going to get married, if I am going to have my family, then normally there is a discrimination comes then and there only. Semane कहते नाई झियोटी को नबनी कारण से छुट्टी रे चली जीवो. But the organization should understand, you have to make your organizations understand that you are the productive persons, and during your maternity you can also produce from home and give something to the organizations. So you are not a burden on the organization, you are not a liability on the organization, you will be an asset to the organization. And ame jodi dekhiba domestic worker, all of us take the help of the domestic help. They actually provide us a human service in our homes. And ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁ ସେମାନେ କାମ କରନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଜି ଯାଏ କିଛି law nahi. ଆମେ ଯଦି ବିଶ୍ୱର ସମସ୍ତ domestic help କଥା ଦେଖିବା, only 10% of domestic workers are actually protected under the national labor laws. କିଛି ଦେଶ ଅଛି ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଦେଶମାନଙ୍କର ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଅତି ନଗଣ୍ୟ ଅଟେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ 90% ଯୋଉ domestic help, they do not get the support or they are not backed up by the national laws. So they are heavily exploited in the houses where they work. Aji semane asunanti, hire and fire is very common for the domestic workers. Aji didin taro jaro hela, amoro jaro hele, ame 5 din jain souchu, kintu se didin no asile, ame ta paisa katuchu, tara kamoru taku chotei kar douchu. Just think over it. Is it a human practice? आमे जिपरि माने शरीरधारी मनीष सेमाने मध्य सेया सेमाने आहुरी खरा तरारे बुलिकिरी काम करूचंदी, किंतु आमर अमानविकता पाई आमे तांका प्रति केबे हेले सहानुभूतिशील हुए नाही. We have to be sensitive to them because they are just human beings like us. So in 2013 actually गोटे भलो law government of India कला, and that law is known as the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act. आउ जो 2013 ए law टी गोटे very important law to provide protection to the women at the workplace. And according to this law, the Indian Parliament wanted to create a safe environment for the women in their workplace, and this act was passed in response to the Supreme Court's verdict on the famous Visakha versus the state of Rajasthan. Mo ei kotha kahithili in my last class. I had discussed how this case came in Rajasthan, how a government official was actually gang raped in the village and by the patidars, and how then she couldn't get justice. Then she moved all the women's organizations, they moved to the court of law, the apex court of law, where the apex court of law on the basis of the Visakha versus the state of Rajasthan case, it gave a suggestion to the parliament that the parliament should actually enact a very stringent law. And as a result of which you must be knowing, तुम कॉलेज रे मध्य थिबो, तुमे जोठी काम करिवो थिबो, तुमे मने रखो ICC इंटरनल कंप्लेंट्स कमिटी. एटा होची, इट्स अ मैंडेटरी कमिटी that every employer is required to have within its organization, whether it is a college, whether it is a petty industry, whether it is a government office, whether it is a bank, there is a need for an ICC. ICC रे internal member और external member रहंती, external जने रहंती एवं जी कि women related ये रे काम करथुए तांको नबाटा उचित और एथिरे रहंती को माने internal member माने जो रहंती, they constitute the ICC, and every organization should have a safe and harassment free workshop. तेणु सेति पय वर्कप्लेस एंड सेति पयका जदि किछि हमर तांका कोनोसी सेक्सुअल यौन उत्पीड़न बोली आमे भाबू बा चिंता करू, we can actually take it to the matter to the ICC. The ICC will investigate without being biased. कौनसी bias न थाई कि ICC आकु चिंता करिबो, and the ICC is required to be vigilant to redress the sexual harassment complaints and resolve the same. तेणु जदि तुम पई भी केबे किछि होउतबो, तुमे चिंता करिबो जे आमे एहाको किपरि ICC की नबु, केबे भाबिबनी ICC को नेले आम जना पड़ी जिबु, कारण ICC खूब मन ध्यान देई यार तर्जमा करिबो एवं दोषी दंड पाइबो. प्रत्येक जगार यहाँ रही सब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कौन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नथिले मध्य यू कैन सेंसिटाइज टू हैव दिस आईसीसी एंड इफ यू लुक एट द आमे जदि एगुड़िक देखा आमे ताले एठू आमे आलोचना नेक्स्ट ईयर आरंभ करवा आमे ये जो कार्यस्थली हिंसारू आमे कौन शिक्षा लाभ कले आमे कौन जानिले ता उपरे आमे विशेष भाव में आलोचना करवा।